Keep getting network connection errors for Free Fire on iPhone? Here are some quick and advanced ways to solve the network connection pop-up error for Free Fire on iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet connection is stable. If you have a poor internet connection, enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Or you can switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage, find out Free Fire, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Reset the network setting on iPhone. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. After following all these steps, hope your problem will be solved. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comments section. Thanks for watching.